Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
It's time for the Stock Movers right now. Let's dive right into it with earnings this afternoon. John Tucker with our Stock Movers podcast. John, what do you have?
And who likes deal news better than former investment bankers?
Sure.
Palo Alto Networks going to buy CyberArk Software. Cash and stock deal. It values the Israeli cybersecurity company at $25 billion. So Palo Alto is going to pay CyberArk investors $45 per share and 2.2 shares of Palo Alto stock. The company say the value implies a 26% premium to CyberArk shares. This has to be on a volume-weighted average over 10 days because the Wall Street Journal first reported on the acquisition talks. It's expected to close during the second half of the fiscal 2026 for Palo Alto. This is CEO Nikesh Arora's largest deal since taking the helm in 2018. It also gives Palo Alto Networks a suite of identity security tools. It's going to help users determine who should have certain access rights within an organization. You can also use these with AI programs. It's all going to be in higher demand as more companies use AI agents to perform lots of tasks.
And guess who's advising the seller here, CyberArk? Catalyst Partners. And people don't know, Catalyst Partners is Frank Quattrone's M&A advisory firm out in Silicon Valley, the absolute dean of technology M&A for 40 years, starting at Morgan Stanley, Credit Suisse, First Boston. He's done every big M&A trade in Silicon Valley, every big IPO in Silicon Valley. And at 71 years of age, he's still at it.
What do you suppose the fees are associated with? Take a guess.
Minimum 3% on the sell side. You get paid more on the sell side than you do on the buy side.
There's an agreement between JPMorgan Chase and Coinbase Global, an agreement to directly link customers' bank accounts to their cryptocurrency wallets. Banks and financial technology companies increasingly are also clashing over who's got access to customer data and at what cost.
Yeah.
So, and I think the Winklevoss, one of the Winklevosses.
Oh, the Winklevi in there?
Winklevi, well, they were all against this in terms of the fees. The deal establishes a direct connection between Chase bank accounts and Coinbase crypto wallets. Bank-to-wallet connections are expected to go live next year, according to
and percolating today, JPMorgan and the new Apple Card or whatever. So you got one more quickly?
Let's see. Microsoft. You want to just preview that for a second? Expected to post a 14% rise in sales. This comes, after the close of regular trading. We're going to find out more about this. It reports fiscal fourth quarter results. Investors are going to track the software maker in part because they'll try to gauge trends in AI technologies. Thanks to the partnership with OpenAI, they've emerged as a leader in commercializing AI.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.